Using the Page Down button, the first page displayed is the bump test page, which allows users to perform instrument bump tests. The bump test page display alternates between bump test and expected gas concentrations. To run a bump test, you will need a calibration check gas cylinder, an MSA 0.25 liter per minute flow regulator, and MSA Altair 4X multi-gas detector calibration cap and tubing supplied with the instrument. Connect the regulator to the cylinder, then connect the regulator tubing to the calibration cap. From the bump test page, verify that gas cylinder concentrations match those displayed on the bump test page. Next, connect the calibration cap to the detector. To start the test, press the Accept button and immediately turn the valve on the regulator to open. After the bump test completes, be sure to turn the regulator valve to the closed position. The instrument will display either bump pass or bump error following the test. Bump pass indicates that the test passed, and a check mark displays for 4 hours, indicating a passing result. If bump error displays, the test has failed. Do not use an instrument that has failed the bump test until the issue is resolved. Many times, bump test failures are caused by simple issues. Some common causes are a calibration cap that is not seated correctly, bump test gas that is past its expiration date, bump test gas concentrations that do not match those for which the instrument is set up. If these issues have been verified and resolved and the detector still fails the bump test, the unit must perform a full calibration. The Altair 4 Galaxy Automated Test System and the Altair 4 Quick Check Station are available to perform automated daily bump tests. The Galaxy Test System can also be set up to perform bump tests and to automatically perform calibrations following failed bump tests or at predetermined intervals. Using the Page Down button after the bump test page, peak reading, oxygen minimum reading, STEL, and TWA pages are displayed. Each page shows current values. To clear and reset any of these values, simply push the Page Up button when the value displays. When using the Page Down button, the final page display before returning to measure mode is the Motion Alert feature page. This page indicates either Motion Alert On or Motion Alert Off. Use the Page Up button to toggle between on and off. When Motion Alert feature is on and the unit is motionless for 20 seconds, a pre-alarm state activates, followed by the low alarm 3 seconds later. Pre-alarm or low motion alert alarm can be reset by simply moving the instrument. If the unit is motionless for a total of 30 seconds or more, high motion alert alarm will activate. This alarm can only be reset by physically pushing the Page Up button. The Instant Alert feature is an alarm that users activate to indicate potentially hazardous situations to others. The Instant Alert alarm is activated by simply holding the Page Down button for 3 seconds.